hungry bird. It's too hungry now. Look at this bird. I bring from Spain. And this one bird take more time to training, you know, because this one bird falcon when in eating too hungry, and when finish eat he want to attack on me also, because it's want more food, you know. It's already have weight 1400 gram, but always hungry and hungry always. Look at how he's dead. The other chain wash I will show you video. I bring from Iran also. This one, look at, I will show you other video. This one, look at, I give him 2 leg piece, but still he want to eat more and don't let me to touch, you know. No want me to touch, no want me to put cap for him, because he want more eat and more eat. Look at how he's eating now. Too much gets tired when finish hunting, you know, because so much flying. Look at, I give him other leg piece, but still it's a hungry, you know. I because I give him more foods now, because in next month I have racing for this bird falcon, so I want to gain some weight for him and give him hard working, you know, hard, too much to fly and for racing. That's why I give him more food, how much he want. So I let him to eat how many piece he want to eat, I give him. And this bird falcon have already win one race, come in champion, and the other one race have after 1 month. So let's see, because now I manage the weight, so I need to more get ready, you know, for racing. Look at how he's hungry. Wow, look at how he's hungry now. And I will show you other birds also after this bird videos. Then the one bird, my one bird have broke the leg, you know. I put some bending, and I will show you the video how it's eating and sitting, because it's get too much pain for sitting and for eating. But I hope it will be get okay soon. I will show you the video. And that bird is my favorite, but that bird get broke the leg in hunting, because it's go to catch other birds and get broke the leg, you know. Then when I go there and see, it's sitting in one leg, you know. I will show you this one bird. Look now. At the leg have a bandage, but it will be okay maybe soon. And this is my favorite white bird falcon, and also my friends love this falcon for photography. When I go outside, they want to making like a picture with him and holding, because it's look nice. That's why it's also my favorite. And chain wash, this one just for hunting I put, not for racing, because I bring this one bird falcon catch from forest. This one harwash, the breed name harwash. If my friends, you are watching this video, if you have like this bird falcon and you want to sell, you can comment on my video, you can leave your contact number or something, so I can buy from you. Even you are from other nationality, other countries, it's okay, I will bring, I will buy. Just leave your contact number or something, so I will contact, okay. Or if you have possible to send me picture which breed you have, which falcon you have catch, okay. Look at hungry bird, really. This bird falcon give me too much time to train, you know. And my bird, white bird, Look at, he just want to eat, but sometime when I'm sitting with him, he no want to eat. When I go far from him, he want to eat, because when he eating, it's looking around, look at the eyes. This bird have special breed, for racing. Look at my white beard. And if you have same beards or like this, I will show you this one, Shaheen from desert. If you catch like this beard, you can contact with me. You can leave your number on comment. I will contact you to buy these beards. If you from like other any countries, I will buy from you my white beard. Look at guys eyes, look at the eyes. This beard falcon now 2 year with me, 2 year now. This beard also have a good in hunting and in racing, in everything, but now it's getting old, and now it's no one to fly more in more speed like before. He want to catch the birds in racing, in everything, because now it's getting old. And look at the leg have like getting changed colors, because before the leg color is white, now it's changing because getting old. This is my small bird. This bird catch from desert, from forest, the other peoples. Then they leave a number and contact with